Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 14th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Amen. So Palantir still had a good day also today. So we are up 22 cents, 0.91%, closed at 24.35. Post-market, we are down only 3 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we have a red candle here, longer wick at the top, smaller wick at the bottom. So we are seeing some selling pressure a little bit. So we are still under 25. We are still over 23.74. And we seem to be losing steam a little bit. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand this better. So on the 1 hour chart, I had this 24.34 resistance that has now become support. So we broke that today. Second hour was pretty strong, and now we have been coming back down since then and stopping pretty much right on smack on that 24.34 support. We also have this bullish trend on the 1 hour chart. Let me just make sure that the channel was drawn correctly. So this is more in line into what is happening here. It's just a small adjustment here. So we broke outside of that channel. Today. So this was showing some strength. And now we seem to be coming back down a little bit. So we came back down within the channel, but we are still above 24.34 for now. Post-market, we are down 2 cents. So that's not a lot. So maybe we are going to stay above this here. So that would be nice to stay above this. If we go back to the daily chart, so stochastic is climbing back up a little bit. So we are at 20. So this is not very strong. RSI, so we have this crossover. So the strength is not decreasing at the same rate anymore. This is what this means. MACD is still not crossed over, and DMI is close to being crossing over. I cannot help but think that we might be pulling back a little bit. If we pull back and come back to 23.74 before going higher, that would be still nice, because since we came back a lot and also pretty fast, stocks don't usually come back up real fast. So they come back up a little bit and they do another low. To make sure that we are in a bullish trend, we need to see pull back here, and then we need to see the stock bouncing on some support and continuing a little bit more. So I would tend to think that this swing is almost over. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. And I also put a link for a very good technical analysis book in the description below. So for those that want to learn about technical analysis, learn the basis, the fundamentals of technical analysis, this is a great book that you can start reading. It's that thick, so you will have many evenings of pure joy reading this book. I also have the TradingView affiliate link if you are interested in using TradingView. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.